mining is about cost. You know, we put safety first, but after that, we've got to be able to make money. We've got to be able to lower costs and improve operations. And we believe that utilizing drones and Strayos, this has been a fundamental part of us as a blasting company, kind of moving into that role with some of our smaller customers into that mine planning / analytical reporting. We believe that this is changing WESCO's future as how we as a blasting company can help mines lower costs and be able to optimize their operation. On the drill hole accuracy, when you look at it in the standpoint of cost and efficiencies, a few inches to a few feet is a big difference in blasting. We try to be as precise as possible. You know, it affects your timing, it affects your drilling costs, it affects your explosives efficiency as far as breaking the rock, allowing us to break the toe so that we don't have those hard toes that Robbie was talking about where you have to bring in secondary equipment. So that point for WESCO in the ability to fly pre and post drilling has been a huge part for us to utilize the drones in reducing our costs as a drill and blast company. When you look at it in the standpoint of a lot of our contracts or a lot of our, you know, agreements are based off of either fragmentation or yardage, the amount of material that we blast every month. Having that ability has reduced the inefficiency of either overcharging or undercharging, or being able to monitor that efficiency so that we can go to our customers and they can feel 100% reliable on the data we're giving them through the reporting. So that AI of the drill holes is such a big part, especially in the engineering side and what we do every day. And the more that we do it and the more that our customers see the benefits and the cost, you know, the ROI of that, it just increases their trust.